Shadows fall on yesterday. Memories won't fade away, away. I trace your name in dust and stone, but time has left me all alone. The clock still turns, the stars still shine, yet I am frozen in this night. Tears of time, they fall like rain, washing down this endless pain. Every second cuts so deep. Love once ours, now lost in sleep. Echoes whisper in the dark, a love that time has torn apart, apart.